Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, please hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with the following. Nimble is a powerful customer relationship management (CRM) platform designed to consolidate your contacts, communications, and sales activities into a single, streamlined hub. Instead of juggling multiple platforms and apps for email, social media interactions, scheduling, and deal tracking, Nimble brings everything together for a more cohesive and efficient workflow. One of the standout features of Nimble is its robust contact management system. It automatically enriches contact profiles with data pulled from various online sources, providing valuable insights into your connections. This includes social media profiles, company information, and even recent news articles related to your contacts. Imagine having a comprehensive overview of your network at your fingertips, making it easier to personalize your interactions and build stronger relationships. Beyond contact management, Nimble excels at streamlining communication. The platform integrates with popular email providers like Gmail and Outlook, allowing you to manage your correspondence directly within the Nimble interface. This centralized approach saves you time and effort by eliminating the need to constantly switch between different applications. Plus, Nimble's social listening capabilities let you monitor conversations and mentions across various social media platforms, keeping you informed and engaged with your audience. For sales professionals, Nimble offers a range of tools to manage deals and track progress. From lead qualification to pipeline management and forecasting, the platform empowers you to stay organized and focused on closing deals. The intuitive interface makes it easy to visualize your sales pipeline, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize your efforts. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger sales team, Nimble can help you optimize your sales process and achieve your revenue goals. In conclusion, Nimble is a versatile CRM platform that empowers businesses to connect with their customers on a deeper level. By consolidating your contacts, communications, and sales activities, Nimble streamlines your workflow and helps you build stronger relationships. If you're looking for a CRM that's both powerful and easy to use, I highly recommend checking out Nimble. The link is in the description below.